Hello guys, and in this lesson today we're going to learn about calculations in Unit 1 Chemistry. This also applies to the A2 syllabus as well, but these are just the basics. So yeah, yep, calculations, and let's go. So first of all we need to learn some definitions. They come up all the time in the past papers, so it's going to come up again and again. So the first one will be, what is the mole? Well, the mole is the amount of substance in grams that has the same number of particles as there are atoms in 12 grams of carbon-12. Then relative atomic mass, which means the average mass of an atom compared to 1/12 of the mass of one atom of carbon-12. And finally, relative molecular mass, which means the average mass of a molecule compared to 1/12 of the mass of one atom of carbon-12. All three of these comes up a lot in the past papers, and they like to ask you because they all they all are very similar, like in the definition terms. So yeah, just don't get them muddled around. Yeah. So okay, on to some basic equations. So the first one is this one, which is N equals M over mR. What does that mean? Well, it means moles equals mass over molecular mass. Now, mass is the mass that they give you, and molecular mass is the mass of the element, saying like hydrogen or like H2O. So what's the mass of H2O, like H and the oxygen? And you have to have the units. So units of mass is grams, and unit of moles is moles, well, MOLS. So the other one is PV equals nRT, which stands for pressure times volume equals moles times by 8.31. This is a constant. This remains constant all the time. Times by temperature. Now, temperature in the AQA syllabus is usually given in Kelvin. Now, to convert temperature into Kelvin, so let's say it's 25 degrees, so room temperature. So to convert that to Kelvin, you do 25 plus 273, which equals 298. You see 298 Kelvin a lot, since that's the standard temperature for reactions, I think. Yeah. And the units for this is, so for pressure is pascals PA, volume is meter cubed, and temperature is Kelvin. Now make sure you remember this one, since it's meter cubed. It will be different for the other ones. And finally, it's C equals N over V. Oops. Now C means concentration, N equals moles, and V equals volume. And the unit for this are mole dm minus 3, or M for concentration. For volume it's dm cubed, unlike the other one which was m cubed, so dm cubed for this one. And the unit of temperature is Kelvin again. Also guys, it's important to learn these three, as you have to convert these three a lot of the time. Yeah, so yeah, make sure you know how to convert these. And so yeah, that's about it. So yeah, please can you comment if you have any questions, like if you like this video, if you find this useful, and subscribe if you want more videos like these. Okay, yeah, that's about it. Yeah, thanks.